In this video, I will show you how to add and set up MEE6 Discord bot. So to get started, go ahead and go to the MEE6 website. So from here, go ahead and click on this Add to Discord button. And then in this section, you need to go ahead and authorize the bot to your server. So go ahead and click on this Continue to Discord. And then from here, you need to go ahead and scroll down and then click on that authorize button at the bottom right of your screen. So this will take you into this section where you'll be able to select the server to where you want to add this bot to. So wait for this to load, and then from here you can go ahead and click on the specific server where you want to add it, and then click on that setup on the bottom right of that specific server. So in here, you need to wait for this to load, since in here you just need to authorize the connection between your server and MEE6. So go ahead and click on that continue button and then grant permission on the chats on the server where you allow this bot to make changes to. And then in here, you just need to confirm that you are a human before you can proceed with the next question. So in here, you need to go ahead and wait for this to load. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and head over into your dashboard. Once added, head to MEE6 dashboard and then select your server. From here, you can enable and customize plugins. So in this section, you'll be able to find the list of plugins that you can add into your server, such as welcome messages. So this plugin will allow you to greet new users with custom messages. Reaction roles. It lets users assign role by reacting to messages. Moderation. Auto-ban, mute, and warn users. Custom commands, create your own bot commands, and leveling system, reward active users with XP and roles. So enable the moderator plugin to auto-remove spam, bad words, and links. Use auto-responses to reply to common questions or commands, and set timers to send scheduled messages. Now, create roles in Discord and MEE6 dashboard. Assign XP thresholds for each role. Enable role rewards so users unlock roles as they level up. So you can also add a music plugin to be able to play music in voice channels, YouTube or Twitch alerts to notify users when you go live or upload, polls and giveaways, engage your community with interactive events. So you can find all of these plugins into the dashboard section. You just need to go ahead and click on that enable button to be able to add that into your server. And that is how you can simply add and set up MEE6 Discord bot.